Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to Planet Pokitaru. We're here just to get an O2 mask, and that's it. No fun, no nothing. Ain't that right, Clank? It's funny that Clanker's a slur now. Freaking Clank. What a clanker. I shouldn't, wait, it's not a slur. Wait, let me back up on that claim. It's funny that Clanker is a comedic robot. I guess, would you consider it a slur if it's not for, it's not, I don't know. It's not real, you know what I mean? Against AI. Like, I mean, one day it might be real, and then one day this video might be like, what the fuck is wrong with him? But in this moment of time in 2025, the sewers, I don't want to go down there. Clanker is not a real term because AI doesn't actually exist.
Hey, you two are the first friendly faces I've seen in weeks. You are friendly, aren't you?
To you, yes. To him, no.
Well, friend, have I got a deal for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
become ravenous mutants?
Yeah, you could say that. All my customers either left or became lunch. So I'm closing the place down. However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said...
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? Alright. But you better not try to stiff us.
I mean, I get a reward and I get to use the jet fighter? Ow. Ow. Is that an octopus with a giant head up ahead? I better switch to a gun here. I meant to shoot shit! Okay. Oh, I got hit anyway. Oh my gosh, I'm already down to 1 health? This is not bodacious, brother. Oh shit! I'm not gonna lie, I didn't leave the controller up. I just had it in my lap, just like sitting like a chump. Alright, hold on. Let's do one of these here, huh? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm back at square one! Holy shit. Alright, I'm not letting go of the controller this time here. Let's do what we have to do here. I'm fucked. I couldn't... Alright. How about a little... Oh, fuck. How about a little fire, Scarecrow? That was like a fish fry. I keep hitting the wrong button! I'm so fucked again, aren't I? Oh, I kept hitting the wrong freaking button. Okay. Why did we stop here? Do I just have to... Where'd he go? What? Oh, do I go up here? Yeah, I guess so. Oh shit. Am I dead if I get in the water? Okay. Woo! Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's get a little glove of doom out here. There you go. You guys can... There you go. Alright. personally not a fan of the Mind Glove, but I got a lot of ammo for it. Sometimes he takes forever to, like, shoot the fire. All the way back! Oh. Oh, hell yeah, dude. This guy's much better. Also... Oh, why the fuck did you do a backflip? Oh my gosh, dude. Starting to get a little fussy here. Also, I discovered that, oh, I can't use the suck cannon when never mind, I had the suck cannon. That thing kicks ass with these guys. Is it dead? I think it died. Well, that helped for a minute. It's my suck cannon. Yeah, that little mine thing helped for a minute. Just fine, but that's alright, because I got the suck cannon now. Look at this shit, huh? Take no freaking prisoners. The only problem is when it fills up. Look at this, I don't even need help, dude. That's how fucking kick-ass I am. Come on, I know you want to jump aboard. Where are you guys? Easy as pie, dude. That's all you got for me? Too easy. Oh, that's convenient. A little confusing, that's right. Oh shit! I was like, what the hell's that sound? That's oh fuck, a whole horde of them coming. Did I get them all? I'm gonna be honest, your resort, a little confusing. Man, I am glad that I...
Here. Now where's that fight?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourists, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob in his robo-chat. He knows about these locks.
You really gonna just fall for that, buddy? You just said, I'm not doing any more stuff. I want the mask. He's like, go talk to Bob.
well, what have we got here? Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little feller up with a thruster pack. Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
Yeah, pal. 2,000? Easy.
I've got it. I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a hopping.
What?
Well, there you are, little buddy.
What?
Better than new. That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh my gosh. I'm fucking decked out. How do I use it? How do I use it? I'm assuming... Whoa, that's kind of cool. Oh, wait, do I have to go up on all these? No. Nah. There's definitely something here. Hold on. Buddy, can you give me directions? I don't know what the hell to do. You're just gonna stand there, huh? Nobody's gonna really tell me. You know, this would be the perfect time for the AI to come up and say, like, oh, there it is.
The thruster pack. You can power slam switches like these by jumping and then pressing the one button.
Thank you. Ooh. Look at me, I'm Star Fox.
Fire the machine guns and press the circle button to fire missiles to go faster. Hold down the X button. Shoot down on small enemy ships to get more missiles.
Do a barrel roll.
Shoot down on small enemy ships.
Yeah, I'm doing it, I'm doing it, I'm doing it. Is he shooting me? Are you shooting me? Oh, pal. You don't want to shoot me. You didn't even see a health bar on me. Oh, look at all these freaking missiles, dude. I'm plumped out. Done. Who's the other one? Well, give me these, though. Done. Give me that
Well,
helmet.
I guess that should do it. Here you go.
It's about time.
Cool. Alright. Well, you know what? How much? We got time to quickly do the other planet, right? It's not like I'm exploring the whole thing again. How do I go back? This a teleporter? Yeah. I mean, we might as well go back. That way I can start the next episode fresh on a brand new planet. Right. I gotta say, I do like the variety. I don't know why. I think it's maybe because I gotta dedicate time to it, but I'm always like, oh, I don't know about this game. But then when I'm playing, I'm like, dude, I just want to keep playing this. This game rules. Oh, almost fell off. That's alright. Gotta jump down there. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, this jetpack, awesome. Hey, take it easy, hey! Oh my gosh, I'm fucking dead. I always underestimate those scorpion fucks. Is he dead or is he sleeping? Oh, he's sleeping. Sleep through this, sucker. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't see you. Whew. Oh shit. Okay, they snuck up on me, huh, pal? Yeah, I don't really want to buy anything right now. I don't have a big... What the hell? Oh, shit. Don't shoot me. Wait, I gotta get in here. Wait. Wait. I don't have a huge influx of cash right now. I feel like I should always have, I don't know, $5 in the bank. Try to aim for 10. If I want to get one of those stupid, like... Oh, it costs you $10,000 to advance the plot, you know, at least... Then I have it. What did that do? What is this thing? Give me the Glove of Doom. Here you go, pal. I don't want to mess with you. Oh, don't die. Where is he? Who's that last one? Holy shit. Whew, okay. We're good. Okay. I want to get over there, but I don't trust... Oh, let's see. I got a lot of thrust on this fucker now, and throws me off. Whoa! You shooting at me? I didn't realize that. You really shouldn't shoot at people until they know that they have your attention. Fucked. I'm fucked. No, I'm not. Holy shit. Whoa, I didn't see you. I'm sorry. Ah! Where am I? Oh, you fucking suck. Hold on. Okay. Oh, shit. I got fucking everybody here. Hold on. Do I have the things on? Oh, fucking hallelujah. I went a different way, I think. I don't even know. I must have gone a different way. Everybody's upside down and it's scary. I'm fucked, dude. I'm fucked again, aren't I? Oh shit. Get away from me. Okay. I see you down there. How do I... Is that gate just gonna stay on? I'd like it to. How do I... Oh. Where are ya? Yeet! Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Here we go. I tried to just run. I don't... You know what? Let me go the other way again. Hold on. We meet again, old friend. Lick my nuts. I'm not even gonna fuck with those. Let sleeping dogs lie. Hello. Okay. Okay. Well, just fuck them all up, dude. What are you gonna do? Huh? That's right, I made a whole freaking minefield, baby. Oh, I didn't see you there. That's alright, I'll get you right here. Easy as pie, man. Ain't nothing. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Oh shit. Alright, that's no biggie. That's no biggie at all. Easy fix. Boom, son. Easy as pie, dude. Uh-oh. Helicopter coming back? Dude, I'm slaying it. I'm in the groove now. Scientists, you in here?
This is a premium nanotech dispenser. You can purchase a can to increase your maximum.
Really? I feel like I'd be kind of dumb not to, because this isn't like a 4,000? Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, because that's not like a vendor thing we can... Any other planet, you know? That's something you have to work for to get to, even.
This dispenser also carries Ultra Nanotech, the very latest in Gadgetron technology. Ultra Nanotech is 3 times more potent than premium nanotech.
Can I buy that then, too? 30,000! Okay. Yeah, I can't get that. My allowance doesn't cover that shit. Oh, this one was... Okay, this one was with Clank here. So is there anything down here that I can do now? Oh, there's my ship. Wait a minute. Did I just go all the way back? Shit. That's alright. Hold on. I'm gonna catch us up to where we were before. Okay. Alright, back to where we were before now. Holy shit. Okay. I lost a bunch of health. Oh! Alright, here's what we're gonna do. This was the wrong way. I think. Wait, where did it go? I definitely went the wrong way. Fuck! Oh! Hey. Here we go again. Ah, I see where I fucked up. Supposed to slingshot over here, huh? There we go. In hindsight, that's pretty obvious, isn't it? Can you fucking stop? Stop it! Oh my gosh, I'm done. Don't kill me again, please. Just fucking go. Don't fuck me. Fuck! Oh. What the fuck? Well, I guess that helped. Okay, killed them all. Don't know how I did that, but I did it anyway. I'm not fucking with them. I'm gonna kill them all. Yeah. Good fucking riddance. Is there still another health thing? Yeah, come here. I'm not taking risks. Oh, sorry, pal. Didn't see you there. There you go, buddy. We'll handle you. Can I get you now? Nope, guess not. Okay. Oh, this fucking guy. Goodbye. I said goodbye. Alright, is this gonna unmagnet me? No, okay. The fuck did it go? Oh, it's just giving me Dead Space flashbacks. Through here? Yeah, baby.
Hello again, everyone. Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. That's why we've created this! The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of blowing an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to this ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go! Kaboom! Quite ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
Alright, boys and girls. That is going to be where we're ending today's episode here. It's been a little extra long, but that's okay. Where are we? Aha! Right near where Clank was. Yeah. So I'll see you guys the next one. Until then, just stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.